Hello developers. Today we are going to build a real-time voice-to-image generator using generative AI. By the end of this video, you will have a working model that you can customize and use in your own projects. We'll be using a Kandi kit to build this solution. Now what is a Kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kit gives you ready-to-deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready-to-use kits on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming and many more on Kandi. Today we'll be using a popular Kandi kit which is voice to image generator one-click install kit. Now this kit is open source and comes with a permissive license. That means you can freely edit, customize and share your own solution. Let's get started then. Over to you Pooja for a hands-on walkthrough.
Hello, hope you are excited to build your own real-time voice to image generator using generative AI. We will build it in 2 steps. First, we will do voice to text conversion using OpenAI's models and Whisper libraries. Second, text to image generation using DALL-E 2. Over the next few minutes, we will cover 3 key aspects in this video. First, download and installation of the kit. Second, extracting your secret API key. Third, demonstration of the working solution. Let's start by installing the kit. Check the description for the link to the installable. This will set up a working sandbox application with all the needed prerequisites and resources. You can download the installer here and also check the deployment information listed below. So let's go ahead and click on the one-click installer. This will download a zip file onto your local system. Extract the contents of this folder. Double-click the folder. You will get a batch file. Go ahead and double-click it. Say more info. Run anyway. So now the kit had started setting up all the requirements onto your systems. Once all the required dependencies are installed, you will get a message to run the kit. Say yes. Your Jupyter notebook will open in front of you. Before we go ahead and discuss the solution source, we need to get access to our OpenAI's API keys. So for that, we can quickly get onto the kit page and click on get your OpenAI API key. For this, you need to be signed up into the platform if you haven't signed up till now. After you have signed up, you just have to go and click on this personal and view API keys. So here is where you have your option to create one if you have not already created. Click on create a new secret key. Copy this key and keep it privately with you. Once created, you cannot recopy this. Paste the API key in the second cell. And you can now run all the cells. So let's understand what is happening. First of all, we have imported all the necessary libraries, especially OpenAI and Gradio. These are the 2 prime that will help us completely take over the code. So in this function here, we are creating the chat GPT DALL-E prompt. So this is the message that we share as an input text, as in whatever has been received from the prompt or user prompt, that is then appended with these messages which we give to the assistant. Okay. So the content that we have given is you are a helpful assistant, and then whatever has been provided as a content by the user, right? That gets into this input text, and DALL-E's task is, that it summarizes the text into a short and concise DALL-E prompt. So initially it is checked whether it is empty. Okay. If not, then it is being concised or summarized. Further, what we do, we use the OpenAI's chat completion.create. Okay. And what model we are using? The GPT 3.5 Turbo here. So this model tries to give us information as accurate as possible, and hence this chat completion dot choices is read as this content. You are a helpful assistant, based on which we are sending a reply from the model, the GPT 3.5 Turbo. There is another function which is delay API. In the delay API, we are actually creating image based on the text prompt. Okay, and the size that we have mentioned is 512 cross 512. If you would like, you can go for 1024 into 1024 as well. So as you get the data, the response is received in the form of a URL. So the fetched URL, the image URL is being returned from this function, delay API. Next is the function which is used for voice or our audio converted into text. So speech to text transcription happens here. So first of all, we have our audio file in the .wav format, and then that same which is being captured through our microphone is then saved into audio file. Here is being read and saved into this audio file, and then audio.transcribe with our whisper library is then converted into a transcript. This transcript then goes through the chat GPT API before it is being passed to the delay prompt. Okay, so this chat GPT API is responsible for summarizing your converted speech so that it can be clearly passed on to this delay prompt and the image creation can be done successfully. So, and then we get the image URL as well as the transcript text through this speech to text text transcription function. Gradio is used to create the interface visual UI for us. So we have one text box for speech to text, another one for image, and this is speech to text. This is for your delay image. Then audio is taken from your microphone. Further, you have two outputs. One is your speech, another one is your image, and the same is being launched here on this local URL, and we can see the interface at the bottom here as well. So let's quickly run the code. Give me an image of a dog on the moon listening to music in high resolution. So as we submit, the model will work on the processing. So we see that this is the most interesting part, where we are getting a unique image, a dog which is having these headphones and it is on a moon. So every time an image is generated, this will be a unique image. The audio WAV file is converted into text here, and then the same is used to or passed through the delay prompt to get us this unique image. So you can try many such different images generated through the model, and yeah, customize this to create interesting applications around the delay prompt. Thank you so much.
Hope you found this session useful. Using Kandi kits is a great way to build AI engines. You can find the link to voice to image generator kit and many other ready-to-use kits in the description of this video. Head over to Kandi to build incredible projects on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming, and many more. Try out Kandi kits now. Hit that subscribe button and join us at the OpenWeaver community of developers to learn more and build many more incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session. Till the next one, bye-bye.